regarding a very shocking incident. But breaking news on the other hand, Air India Express flight took a U-turn and landed at Bengaluru after a mid-air hydraulic snag. An Air India Express flight from Bengaluru to Kolkata made a mid-air turn back after it developed a hydraulic snag shortly after takeoff. Now, the flight, which departed from Kempegowda International Airport at 7:16 p.m. yesterday, landed safely back at 9:19 p.m. and a full emergency was declared nearly around 8:20 p.m. as a precautionary measure. And as per reports coming in from the airport sources, they have confirmed a technical issue. Colleague Abhishek is joining us live at this point in time. Abhishek, help us understand what exactly happened, given the fact that there was some sort of a hydraulic snag in the particular Air India Express flight that had to take a mid-air U-turn yesterday.
Riyanka, we were informed that the flight took off at around 7:16 in the evening from Kempegowda International Airport Limited, which was headed towards Kolkata. However, at around 8:21, a full emergency was declared because it was found a mid-air hydraulic snag is what the Air India or the technical experts have mentioned as of now. And at 19 p.m., the flight made a landing at Bengaluru International Airport Limited or the Kempegowda International Airport Limited as of now. And we've been informed that the passengers are safe, and it is under investigation as to why this mid-air hydraulic snag happened. And we are awaiting any response from the Kempegowda International Airport Limited, Air India, and various other agencies who are related with respect to the Air India's issue. We are also awaiting to see if Air India is facing multiple problems in the last couple of days. We've also seen some of the incident that's been unfolding with Air India. So will there be a detailed check with respect to Air India's quality of flights, and also will there be a total investigation within the department is what we are awaiting as of now, Riyanka.
Right, Abhishek, as you mentioned the point, the fact that there have been several technical snags that have been reported over the past several weeks, and coming in first is always Air India, and now it's an Air India Express flight. Would you share any information that you're gathering from your sources in terms of what are the measures that are being taken at this point in time, even from the side of the DGCA, regarding the condition of these aircrafts?
Well, with respect to the DGCA might issue a notice to the Air India because it has found not only the DGCA but various other airlines and people who are flying from various other countries have found there have been technical snags in Air India flights off lately. So there might be an internal investigation from the Air India itself, and also the DGCA might also ask a report as to why the technical glitches or snags are happening within the Air India flights, and will also there be a total run through of all their flights. Will there be a quality recheck? Again, will the government intervene in this is the point of question which has to be answered by the Air India. Now, we are awaiting responses from Air India as of now, and we are also if at all we have to connect the dots. We have seen what happened at Ahmedabad. We also saw what happened at Bengaluru yesterday, and there was another incident with respect to Air India in the last couple of weeks as well. So if this continues, will the airline have to face a battle between the DGCA and the passengers? So at this point of time, probably there might be some of the technical glitches with the Air India, and they will have to recorrect themselves so that the passengers can get back to Air India safely and passengers can fly safely, Riyanka.
All right, Abhishek, thank you for joining us and giving us all the details on that story. We will continue to track as we await a response from Air India on the same. Now,